how do you add Microsoft Teams to your iPad? Let me walk you through it quickly. If this is your first time on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss this type of tutorials in the future. Anyways, the Microsoft Teams is the platform to join meetings, right? And if you want to use it on your iPad, you need to download it as an app from the App Store. So the first step would be to locate at the App Store the A icon on a blue background type of thing, and there you can literally just look up Teams or Microsoft Teams and get at the app, right? So that's fine, but once you have the app, you get to decide if you actually want to use it with your account or just as guest, right? Because if you only want to just join a few meetings here and there, it makes sense to don't have like an account with the app because you don't need it. And whenever you want to join a meeting, you will always just open up the app and click on the join meeting button at the bottom. And this just lets you type in the meeting ID, which is created and shared to you by other people, and also the passcode. So you can type all of the things in and connect to the meeting you want. When you're done, you can leave the app and you don't have any account. So that is one way you can use it. But if you prefer the better approach, or if you need more meetings to be made, then of course it would make sense to join with an account. So you have to make an Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you have to sign up. If you do, you can just sign in with the existing one, and then the UI of the app will look a little bit different because you'll see the history of the calls. You'll be able to create one yourself. You'll be able to schedule the meetings and also create links which you can share with the other people, and more features are going to be available in here. So it depends on how you want to add this to your iPad. If you want to use it all the time or just occasionally, these are the two ways you can set it up. So I really hope I can help you out with it. Thanks a lot for watching, and if you want to see more videos and explanations like this one, subscribe so you do not miss the upcoming tutorials as well. Thanks a lot for watching. That's it from me, and I'll see you later.